Hey, what's up everyone at Guilford? Got a little off work early today to skate because it's such a beautiful day. The sun is shining, no more rain today. So I'm thinking I'm gonna want to push to do a switch nose slide or a switch crook, and I'm hoping I don't die today. So we'll give it a few chances, a few shots, see if I get close and go from there. So I got switch nose slide 180, switch nose slide shove it, and switch nose slide 270 out. And I guess the next day we'll try the switch crook, but I'm gonna try to get that nollie 5-0 shove and nollie 5-0 180, which I still need to land.